Here's an app called Brain Gain, mental mini games, everyday puzzles, and IQ tests. So yeah, if you just install it here, yes, you can see it's growing in the charts. And yeah, you know, if you're on a commute to have some free time, instead of scrolling Instagram or TikTok, you can just use this app and just train your memory, train your mind, boost concentration, and then here you have it. So you can just open it up. And then, yeah, you just have it here. Here's the overview. And then you can just get started. You can skip all of this onboarding. And then you can enable free trial and then try it. So that's what it is. But also they have this free version. It's like workout ready. So then basically, for example, here is the basic game. Draw the shape without lifting your finger or tracking over lines, and you're already drawn. So that's the idea. So here you need to play it. So I passed this one, so this is the easiest exercise. And then, yeah, you just need to go. So they just have this kind of addictive exercises. So I passed also this one. Yeah, and then it will become trickier and trickier. So here I missed. So can I do this? Yes, so that's what it is. So then next game, now you need to sort blocks. Sort the blocks by color. You can only place the pieces on the matching colors or the black ones. So I just put them here. Nope. So now okay, I'll just put it here. So basically you get the idea. So now basically that's how you play it. So that's the idea. No, all right, so should be something like that. So yeah, you get the idea of this. So now you just leave, and then you have a lot of things like that. Then you have nice offer here, so $20 annual billing, which you can have $20, quite a good idea. And then yeah, you have stats, you have a lot of different tests, you have a lot of games. Pretty cool app, and it's very well designed. So that's just what you have. So yeah, try it out.